What's up guys, it's Andrew here with Adventure Rig again. Back with a quick, hopefully quick video. It's kind of hot in the garage today. We're going to be doing something that's fairly simple, I hope. As you can see, I'm right here probably. I'm just going to want to get rid of some of this really bad window trim here. Window molding, I guess is what you call it. I'm gonna go ahead and replace that with some new ones that I got from Amazon. I'll leave a link down in the description for you guys so you can get some for yourself. Apparently this is a pretty big problem, pretty common on these GXs, is that the window molding likes to tear and get really gross. So we're gonna go ahead and replace that today. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to do it. Alright, so I'm starting here at the driver front door. Once you get it open, right here is a T20 Torx bit bolt that we're going to take out. It's just this little guy here. Once we take that out, we should be able to Yep, so you just give it a good pull. Pretty much just snaps on. And you'll lift it out of the front corner here. I mean, it was pretty beat up. So that's how it comes off. Going back on should be the exact opposite way. Let me get the new one here. Alright, here's the new one. Not chrome, obviously, but that's okay. I don't like the chrome. Looks decent quality. Let's see if it fits well. You know, Amazon parts. So, here's this channel. This channel is the one you're going to slide onto this metal piece here. Don't quite like the way that that's sitting. Doesn't seem very tight. Once you get it slid in there, we're gonna come back to this side. See if this lines up here. Alright, let's see if this thing will screw in now. Onto this one now. So for the rear, it's not under this cover as you might think, like the front. You have to go towards the inside of the vehicle, and there's that same T20 Torx bit bolt right there. And we're gonna go ahead and get that out and get this one removed. All right, now that we got that screw removed, let's see about taking this thing off here. And starting from the front side of the car is a lot easier to pull up than starting from the rear. I got a little tab in the back too. Looks like the new one comes with a similar tab for the rear. See how well this one fits. It's weird, these new ones just like screw into rubber, so it doesn't really have a dead stop. So I just go until it feels tight, because it'll just keep spinning. It's not really cross-threaded, but there's no actual threads that T20 bolt goes into, so it kind of just spins. But so far it's on. But yeah, so here's what we're looking at. Fits fairly good, and it looks pretty decent. Same with the front here. I just wish they fit a little bit nicer. You can see this one just like raises up. It just doesn't quite, I don't know. It's kind of disappointing, but what do you expect for $35 on Amazon? Alright guys, I'm back with an update. I guess I just wasn't smacking it hard enough when I was installing it, because I started to do that side over there and I just started hitting it and it snapped in. So I was like, I don't think I did that other side correctly the first time. So I came back, kind of pushed it further in to the front there, up front, and yeah, kind of started banging on it a little bit more, and it went in. So fits a little bit better. I'm gonna try and do it again on this one here, and then I'm gonna finish on the other side. But I do have to say it did fit after I stopped being an idiot, so there's that. But yeah, we'll see how it goes after this. Oh, and with this still being silver, the kit doesn't come with this. I can't really find any kit that comes with it. Also, I wouldn't want to change that either, because it's a pain. You got to take quarter panels off on the inside in the trunk space area, and to me it's not worth it. I might just try and do some electrical tape. Actually, let's just do that right now. I'm gonna clean this up, see if I can get some electrical tape on there, and see how well it looks. And I'm just gonna use black electrical tape. I'm gonna tape it up, see how well it matches. You could probably do this with like an actual wrap material, like a vinyl wrap, vinyl sticker, however you want to do it. I don't have any of that stuff, so this is about as good as it's gonna get for me. Alright, just to show you right now, I'm going to cut it up a little bit so it matches a little bit better. But color-wise, it's going to be pretty much perfect. I'm just going to trim up, put another piece on top of this one to fill in this gap back here. And yeah, just going to leave it at that. It'll work for now. Keep it at least black. So yeah, I'm going to finish up the other sides, and I'll get back to you guys. Stay tuned. Alright guys, Well, that was the quick install. It's nothing too crazy, but it does make it look a lot better. Don't be an idiot like me. If you're gonna install these, give it a good fist hammer on the actual trim there so it actually snaps on and you don't look like an idiot like me saying it doesn't fit. Good thing I didn't pull a Karen and write a great review on Amazon saying it doesn't fit first, right? But I'll flip you guys around, take a look at it. You'll see my mint. I mean mint. It's terrible, but my tape job at the end there kind of matches. It's better than nothing. It's better than just that back window having chrome. So let's take a look. And now it's actually, I mean, it's secured now that you actually put it on correctly. Imagine that. Here's the back. And here, ready for this mint job here? Oh yeah, look at those bubbles. Hell yeah, Batman. I mean, from far away, it's not too bad. It matches good enough. You can't really tell that I did an absolute shit job, but come over to this side. Same thing over here. Sweet corner that I missed. It'll do for now. This side's on. I mean, it's not 100% fit, but it's good. It's good enough for the price I paid. And after it snaps on, I'm actually a lot happier with it now than I was, so. Yeah, pretty simple. So yeah, that was it. Pretty simple job. Really only need 2 tools maybe, pair of pliers, because it can be kind of difficult to pull the factory ones off. Just get some pliers to yank it off of there. Hopefully you're not trying to save them because that will mar up the chrome, but if you're taking them off, you're probably not saving them. I hope this video helps you guys. Would really like it if you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe for future videos on the GX and any other kind of adventure stuff I'm going to be getting myself into. Maybe posting some mountain bike videos if I can get my GoPro working and a chest rig and all that stuff. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see some mountain biking stuff and more adventure stuff, or if it's strictly just the car stuff you guys are interested in. Let me know and keep adventuring.